So what's up guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your own logo. So this idea was suggested by one of my friends, so this is the comment. Okay, so you guys could suggest anything down below in the comment section below, and if you want some tutorial ideas, you can give me in the comment section. So this I'm gonna show two ways, in Place It and another in Turbo Logo. But don't worry, both of them are paid options, but I'll show you also how to get them free. So before we go, be sure to subscribe to the channel with all notifications on and like this video if you enjoyed. So let's go to our tutorial. Okay, so firstly, what we're gonna do is type in Place It logo, and after that click this gaming logo right here. And after that, you'll see a bunch of gaming logos right here with different designs. So that's very cool, okay? So now I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna type in my name. I'm gonna type in Chem Gaming, because guess what? I've made a new gaming channel, so this is my gaming channel. So be sure to subscribe to that gaming channel if you want. I'll put that, if you want, and I'll put that channel link in my description below. You can check it out if you want. This might load a while, but the logos will appear after that, and there are 154 pages and more. So this is just page 1. You can choose many varieties of logos. So for me, I think I like this one, so I'm gonna choose that one. So now it's loading. It should appear right now. The picture is still loading, but it will soon come. Okay, so now the pictures come, and what you can do is I'm gonna erase this gaming thing right here, because there's already a Kevin Gaming, text. So just wait for it to be complete. This might load a while. And just choose one of your photos. You can replace the logo right here. So for me, I'm gonna choose this picture. You can also change color. Okay, so yeah, so now the color is changed. You can change the background color, main color, and anything you like. It's okay. So now I'm gonna choose this. Choose blue. I'll try showing you guys like how it works. So the whole thing will change into blue. It's like a theme color, so I'll just change it to default now. I'll just change back to default for now. You guys can change anything you want. Okay, so if you're satisfied and if you finish editing your logo, what you can do is when you click download, it will show you a pricing. So yeah, it's very expensive, $39.95. So what we're gonna do is you can either screenshot or use snip tool. So for snip tool is Window Shift S. So if you click Window Shift S right here, and if you just select this place, you'll get a screenshot. And this will only be copy paste to your clipboard. So what you can do is actually is window print screen and screenshot it, and in your Photos app, you're gonna crop it and resize it a little, so it works. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the second way. Okay, so for the second way, what we're gonna do is type in Turbo Logo and click this first link right here. After that, you'll see a bunch of this and click Make a Logo. So for this, Turbo Logo is suitable for any content you make for. So okay, so let me write my name. It have all the different categories you want. So enter your company industry. This is actually for company. So I'm gonna choose gaming. Well, I haven't posted any videos in that channel though. Okay, so a color inspiration. Choose 3 of your favorite colors. So I'm gonna choose blue, purple, and cyan. After that, click continue, and you can choose any logo you want. Just choose one. I'm gonna choose this eagle one. You can choose 2. an eagle, and a UFO. Okay, so I'm gonna click generate logo, login. Just go with Google, it's okay. Okay, so now some of the presets will pop up. And you can choose one of them. You can edit like one of them. You can replace the logo. Actually, in my opinion, I think place it is better, because this seems very simple. I'm gonna choose this bomb one. And the edit screen, and they will show you some examples if you like do some merch or something. So, you know, this poster, and you can replace this icon and add a new icon right here. I'm gonna choose one of the from the suggested and choose this eagle one right here and adjust it with the picture. You can change font, any font you like. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly look at the fonts, and I think that's pretty nice. I think it's okay, and a little resize it a little bit. And now we got the perfect logo, and you can either resize it if you want. If you think this is too small, you can resize it. This is customizable, really customizable. Okay, so now you got the logo, and that's all for today's tutorial. And oh wait, before we go, you can also screenshot this. Just click. And also, this is not free. If you download logo, you need to pay. So for me, in my way, I'll just screenshot a window print screen and just crop it. So that's all for today's tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it.